Samar Representative Edgar Sarmiento wants the PNP to turn over to the NBI to probe on the death of his longtime friend and political ally, Calbayog Mayor Ronald Aquino. Aquino and his 3 security aides were ambushed along Barangay Lunoy, Calbayog City last March 8. Sarmiento said reports claiming policemen were involved in the attack should be a basis for the PNP to inhibit from the probe. Sarmiento belied earlier claims by PNP Chief General Debold Sinas that it was the mayor's camp that fired first. Sarmiento said, Aquino is a good, honest, and hardworking public servant, and there is no reason for anyone to harm him.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.